Welcome back to another episode of Smooth Operator Trucking. It's your boy, Smooth Operator. All right, so today we're just getting to the Jacksonville FEDEXGROUND terminal, otherwise known as 320. Now, if you don't know, the way they code these terminals most of the times by the first three numbers of the zip code that the terminal is located in. So that's how they come up with the numbers, just in case you didn't know. So yeah, so that's why this one's 320, because the area code starts off, or the zip code, sorry, starts off with 320. All right, you guys coming in here. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to navigate the FEDEXGROUND terminal here in Jacksonville. And I'm gonna be doing something a little different here. I'm using a GoPro Max, which is a 360-degree camera. So I'm gonna tell you guys where to look, and you can kind of move your phone around, or you can use your finger to move the video around. Just trying something new, see how it works. So if you look to your right, these are the trailer. This is the area where you drop your empties at. As you can see, there's not really a lot of spots to drop your empties at. What is he doing? He's pointing. He's pointing. He's pointing. He's pointing this way. I don't know if he's pointing at me or what, but I'm gonna assume it was. Are you pointing at me? Take it well in the end. Okay. All right. Well, one of the switchers just told me to just put it in the middle, so that's something to do. But normally that's where you drop them off at, and it's kind of weird because you'll drop your rear one off, then unhook from your rear trailer, and then drop your dolly off, and then swing all the way back around, drop off your lead trailer, and then pick your dolly up. Well, I guess he's just saying put it right here, so that's what I'm gonna do. Over here to your left, where there's a little ladderette, that's where your line haul is. But yeah, it's pretty much it's not very big here. So, and if you look over here on your left right here, that's where you see a lot of the, usually my loads are on this side. I'm not sure if they have another side on somewhere else, but I think most of the unloading load places are on this side right here. Oh. All right, so he's telling me to pull up some more. Very interesting here. So I normally get here at night, like 12:30, 1:30 in the morning. And where he's telling me to park him at, I actually get really irritated when other drivers park trailers there, because what happens is it makes it really hard for you to get to your trailers that are backed up to the door. But maybe things are a little different here during the daytime, or what, I don't know, but well, I guess that explains why a lot of guys drop trailers right here at nighttime, probably because, you know, this is where they've been told to drop them at. Well, there's not really much to this terminal, so I'm gonna end the video right here, but if you like the video, hit that like button, share, leave a comment, think about subscribing. I really appreciate you guys checking me out. Which terminal do you go to the most? Which one is the easiest for you to get in and out of, and which one is the hardest for you to get out of? You guys know the deal. Fast food, fast trucks, fast women will get you in trouble. Hard times don't last, hard truckers do. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. And last but not least, stay smooth, my friends.